We all know about the meteor that caused the dinosaurs' extinction. However, many people have speculated about where the meteor actually fell. Scientists have found that a meteor that struck Earth over 66 million years ago is located in the Yucatan Peninsula, to be precise, in an area called Chicxulub. The importance of this meteor in Mexico's biodiversity has been fundamental, as it is responsible for the limestone soil found in the Yucatan Peninsula, which caused the creation of a great number of underground rivers and cenotes. These formations were created over thousands of years, starting with stalagmites and stalactites, and they contribute to 38.7% of used water in the Yucatan Peninsula. They are also home to 12 of the 23 endemic species in Mexico.
Cenotes are deep natural sinkholes. They are perhaps the most interesting natural phenomenon in Yucatan. Without them, the ancient Mayan people would have lacked sufficient water, since there are no rivers or lakes of importance in the Yucatan. These wells were called Cenotes by the Mayans, and their literal meaning is hole or hole in the ground. The rocks found in the Yucatecan plain are sedimentary rocks called limestone, which allow rainwater to infiltrate through their cracks, and the rocks are gradually worn away. Over hundreds of years, large caverns or water deposits are formed until finally the roof of the cavern collapses, revealing its interior.
It seems to us that there is no better example of how the intervention of human beings directly impact the ecosystem than in the areas of Mexico where cenotes are located. In these areas, cenotes are the principal economic activity in the form of tourism. Tourism is important for families and society, but it also destroys the habitat of animals, plants and endemic species, in addition to depleting the most important vital liquid for humans, water. Over time, as tourism has grown in these specific areas, more damage has been done to biodiversity. One of the greatest examples is in Quintana Roo, Mexico, where more than 55% of its mangrove area has been lost. This is extremely important since mangroves prevent erosion and absorb the impact of storm surge during extreme weather events, such as hurricanes.
Tourism has also caused a huge threat to Mayan history around the peninsula, since the cenotes have played a great role in Mayan beliefs and day-to-day activities. Much of what we know about how ancient civilizations used the cenotes comes from archaeological discoveries found in them. If tourism continues to be a threat to these places, it could mean losing years of our history and erasing the site where dinosaurs disappeared and a new era started. It is important to take into consideration that tourism has a great impact on Mexico's economy, since 8.7% of Mexico's GDP comes from tourism, and there are plans to continue to increase this number. So the question here is, how to find a balance between tourism and economic policies and the impact on the environment and the preservation of historical sites.